To exchange cryptocurrency on the Crypto.com app, start by opening the app and navigating to the Accounts section at the bottom. This will display your crypto wallet, where you can view all the cryptocurrencies you currently own by clicking on the drop-down menu. If you want to exchange one cryptocurrency for another, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to exchange, for example, Ethereum. Then, click on Sell for that cryptocurrency, and choose the cryptocurrency you want to exchange it for, such as USDT. Next, specify the amount you want to sell, and you can opt to sell the maximum amount by clicking on Max. After confirming the sale, you may be prompted to enter your postcode. Once the transaction is complete, you can verify that the exchange has been successful by checking your crypto wallet, where you should now see the new cryptocurrency, in this case, USDT. The process is straightforward, and following these steps allows you to easily exchange one cryptocurrency for another on the Crypto.com app.